We've created our input form and we've started the input process inside FlexMLS. Now we need to create our rest of our listing documents inside of Dotloop. So log into Dotloop and then click on Create a Loop. You're going to name this loop the address of the property and dash your client's last name. Click Create Loop. From here, we want to go straight into Edit Details. The information we fill in here will help auto-populate our forms. Click on Sales Purchase, and then scroll down to where the address is. Now back to the top of here and click Back to Loop. This will prompt us if we want to save. Go ahead and save that. And now scroll down and we're going to add our clients to this loop. You do not need to assign an email address unless you're getting electronic signatures or if you want your client to be able to access the documents online. We'll go ahead and assign them the role of seller so that our smart documents will know to add him anywhere where there's a seller field. Add person. Now we've got the details entered in, the address entered in under details. We've got our client's name entered in as seller. Now let's go ahead and add the documents. Click Add Documents. Actually, that's not necessary because when there are no documents, you'll see the Add Document fields here. Click on Templates, and then click on your listing template and select the documents that you want to add to this loop currently. Seller's property condition, exclusive right to sell. Click Add Documents. Just click Open All. It'll open up both of these documents. It'll ask you to verify that the roles are assigned property for seller 1. Click Assign. Scroll down, you'll have to add the expiration date of this listing. You'll notice all of these fields already have my default values in them, and there's nothing else that I really need to fill out in here. Click Back to Loop. It'll ask us if we want to save. It'll ask us if we want to share this. If you're getting electronic signatures, you will. Now from here, we can go right over here to the folder, select this checkbox, and you'll see a Print button right here. Click on Print, and then print these documents. Now that we've gotten the documents signed, it's time to scan them in.
So first we need to log into the printer itself. So you'll just punch in your 4-digit code and then push the login button right here on the screen. And now you'll push the fax scan button. Then you'll navigate and find your contact information or your agent's contact information. Push that button, and then you'll place the documents on the scanner face up, facing towards you. Press the Start button, and then when it's done scanning, it will prompt you if you'd like to send another scan to the same job. So just click OK, and then place the next documents face up. Press the Scan button or the Start button. And once you're done scanning in all of your documents, you don't have to worry about saying no to this. Just hit the key button right here to log out of your account.
So we've scanned our documents here into our email account. Now we need to get them into Dotloop. To do that, head over to Dotloop, click on the loop you want to add those documents to, click on Add Document, and then click on Email. This will copy the email address for this loop to your clipboard. Head back over to the email, and then you'll individually forward each one of these to that email account by pasting that email address after clicking forward on each document. Once you've sent over all 3 of those documents, when we head back over to Dotloop, refresh this page so we can see that the documents came over, and then we'll rename each one of these. So we've got the seller's property condition disclosures, and we've got exclusive right to sell, and then we have our input form. Once we get those renamed, then we'll just head down here and we will archive these other two that we originally created in here, because these replace those. Okay, so we've got all of our contracts done. Now all we have to do is our marketing.